How to organize your Google Drive with folders and labels. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to organize your Google Drive, you can create different folders and arrange your files accordingly. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to open your Google account and then go to Google Drive. To create a new folder, right-click anywhere on the screen or click on the new option in the top left corner of the screen and then select New Folder and give it a name. After you do that, click on Create. Now next, you will want to organize your files into that folder. Select the files, videos, or other folders you want to move into the new folder. Once selected, click on the three dots in the toolbar, or you can just simply drag all of it to the new folder at once. You will see the name of the folder you just created, and you can click on Move to transfer the selected items into that folder. Now you have successfully organized your files into the desired folder right away. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.